Greetings, everybody. I'm Dave Matuzik. I'm a solutions consultant here at TriMech, and I have a quick SolidCAM tip for everybody. One thing in SolidCAM here is I have a lot of post processors. If I go into my list of posts, I have a lot of machine environments here because I am a post writer / I do a lot of training. And you may have a situation like this too, where you have a lot of generic machines, a lot of posts put off, and I just don't want to see this entire list, but I really also don't want to delete any of these posts. I might need them for something else later. Well, there's a real simple way to deal with that. What I'm going to do is in my Windows Explorer, I'm going to navigate to where these posts are stored. So that's C, Users, Public, Documents, SolidCAM, in this case, SolidCAM 2024, and GPP Tool is by default where all your posts are stored. You can see I have quite a extensive list in here. And I just don't want to see as many posts in that list. I just want to have the machines that I'm using. So a real quick way to deal with that is I'm just going to make a folder here in Windows Explorer. I would just call it unused post. And I'm going to grab everything that's not being used. And the only one I really want is this post I'm building right now. So all these other posts here, I'm just going to grab them and move them into that folder. So now I only have the posts that I'm working on. Now what the advantage of this is in here, I'm going to restart my SolidWorks. I'm just going to exit it and open it up again. And now that I have everything reopened, if I go to this list, I only see that one post I'm using. Now I didn't delete them. If I want to get something back, I can just go to that Windows Explorer and grab the post that I want. So for example, maybe I want this post here that I actually use quite often. And I'm just going to take that and move that right in here. So it just moves it out of that unused folder back into the main directory. And you don't see it here yet. And the reason for that is I do need to exit and restart. So let's just do that real quick. So I'm restarted here. And reload my part file. And now I'll see two machines there because I have two machines that I moved into my main directory now. So that's a quick way to manage your posts without having to delete anything else. Thanks, everybody, and have a great day.